Alright guys, this is about Baccharis halimifolia, which is silverling, sea myrtle, groundsel tree, or a litany of other names. The ones, of course, that are accepted are on your sheet, so consult that. We're just going to look at the morphology today. It's an Asteraceae. This is only one of, there's not that many woody plants in Asteraceae, but a lot of your like field flowers are going to be an Asteraceae. It's got fruit types the achene, which is typical of like dandelions having achene, and I think that is about it. Halimifolia means salt leaf because this is typically a beach tree, so you're going to find this in dunes, salt marshes, etc., because it's very salt tolerant. But it is naturalized through most of the Piedmont as it follows up along roadways because it's about the only thing that can stand up to roads being salted heavily. So let's take a look at this bad boy. So first of all, if you notice, it's a woody shrub. It's typically multi-stemmed, branching with a weird growth habit. This one's also been chopped a little bit, which is influencing his growth habit. If we look at the mature bark down here on the bottom, see it's a light brown and it's pretty fibrous with some like furrows that are flaking off. It's not fibrous like juniper is, where you can peel it off, but it looks like you would be able to. And then the newer growth is green for a very long time. And then we'll get down to this nice tan color. The leaves are very distinctive, so these are more or less evergreen. They are alternate. They have a very strange shape to them. They also have kind of a waxy cuticle. So they've got an acute base, a winged, like a lot of tissue on the petiole, and then they have really large dentition on the top half of the leaf coming up to an acute top. Very distinctive leaf. Of course, that can vary. There are variable shapes to every leaf. It's another one. Sometimes the new growth is unlobed, but somewhere on the plant it will almost always be lobed. Some bigger leaves here, some more prominent lobing, less dentition, more lobing on this one. That's about what you're looking for. These are the flower buds. They are small. The flowers will be white. Those will be fall and winter, and they will have little fluffy achenes that are wind dispersed, so they will float away. You see on the those are all little white things on the edge of the branches. So these are for the most part terminal inflorescences, but some of them are axillary where they're on branches. So, yep. Woody shrub, heavily branching, typically in disturbed sites that naturalizes through, and it's got that really distinctive shaped leaf, kind of a dark waxy texture, and typically you're going to see the flower bud on there.